Honorable Speaker, sir, start question number 244.
Honorable Speaker, sir, start question number 244 gi A the enclosed at annexure 1 the aduga B the no aduga C the yes FIR has been registered against two officials.
Supplementary question the anikatang hangatsege. Honorable Speaker, sir, high river question number B gi quick answers in no in a PB. Saying Loina yen thopangam drivasikari maramgino. Masim aduga anisuba question amana Husik inquiry investigation the over the official ani CNRA Makoi Matakta FIR local lena and the reply PB. High river change official ani sinigi custody the lairagadi yen thopam talk the Brana Tragana high river Mui anisina Pabira Banina Karigi Husik FIR Palabanina Padabu Gana Karigi Pada.
Honorable Speaker, sir, Hojiki no Hajay Dofina Hariba can say metric quintal 8,575 amane Sigi can say when extension you in the Tagiba, District C, Tamelong, None, Kampupi, Imphal West, Imphal East, Part Kara Hybatare, Sigi Sima Smina. Extension thagi na extension gi copy show honorable dai thamjal khabani aduna extension FCI da koina I betugi si yaujare aduga hojuki ani subuduna haiba ke Navachandra Singh haiba mane aduga Lenlin Sarangthem haiba moi ni se koina seng se moi godam da stock tor thamba se da amana 1946 metric ton ni Navachandra Krishna Duga Amazina Lelin Sarangthing 2,440 metric ton Yamna Ariba can over among the Hoi Sahikragi among the Hajabutare Koi part Karalaga, part Karalaktaba, Admina with the Gichiansi Yen Topungam Dadana, Ahoina Tamgiba Adumba set numbers in the setching the near the Moina Pirate setching is a Ahoina completed. The kuidring either we completed or masi thani se punchalaga machet ani se punchala thama semaga pirasi na haina budu yana matung the yena na taumatam the masigi ching sinjel leram the moi matate FIR toro moi phare matung the hojik investigation the lay aduga moishi amuk the court gi bail piraga the minor labini.